soon as you write this problem down, state restrictions. As soon as you finish writing that, state restrictions. Let me scoot this over a little bit. Remember, you cannot have a 0 in that denominator. Just solve for x. When you solve for x, you know x cannot equal a positive 3/4. I'm putting a bubble around that because that might affect my interval notation. It will. In this problem, you'll see. All right, so we got ourselves a fraction. We don't solve fractions. We change the way they look. So let's multiply both sides by the denominator, which is 4x minus 3. Okay, so the good news, over here on this left side, they cancel out, which is exactly what we wanted. So the left side is just going to be x plus 6. Let me recopy the inequality sign. And then, y'all, we would distribute this to the 4x minus 3, but it's a 1. So 1 times anything is whatever it is. So 4x minus 3 is going to go on that side. Okay, we are going to solve for x. I am for sure always going to make sure my x's are positive because I used to forget to flip the inequality when I was y'all's age. So I trained myself to solve inequalities where x is always positive. So I am going to have 3x here. I'm going to move this negative 3 to the other side. So divide both sides by 3. And we know x is going to be less than or equal to 3. Good news is you don't have to do a test point because you only have one answer. Like, we know for sure we want our x values to be less than or equal to 3. So if I plotted this on a number line, here's my 3. Ooh, I need to color that in because it's part equal. And we want our x's to be less than, so it would be all this stuff if it wasn't a fraction. You know what else is less than 3? Let me show you what else is less than 3. Y'all, that is less than 3. You can't have that. So, whoops, we're going to have to kind of clean up our answer here. All right, here's what the answer is going to be. X is going to equal, definitely going to be negative infinity, but you got to block out this restriction. So negative infinity to 3/4, pick right back up after 3/4, and then you get to go all the way to 3 with a bracket. So that's what this answer is going to look like.